My name is Tina Gottlieb, and I have been a chiropractor for 25 years now. I love the 90-day marketing machine, and I want to tell you why. So you would think after 25 years I'd have a set marketing machine of my own, but you have to evaluate things sometimes and make sure that you're keeping up with the new ways and new systems to make sure you have the best. So we had a lead capture, we had a website, we had email drips, we were even doing social media, but we weren't sure we were doing them correct. And that's where the 90-day marketing machine came in, and we have been so thrilled with the system. I watch the videos myself, as does my team. Then we analyze together what we need to do and we make changes. We love the layout. We love how incredibly responsive Clay and his team are. And the 90-day marketing machine Facebook page is super, super helpful. So what have we found out so far? Just in the first 30 days or so of doing it, we realized that we have never really had a logo, not a well and true, accurate logo. We also realized we needed to make some substantial changes to our website, and that the lead capture we had wasn't very good, which is probably why it didn't work. And we wanted to make some changes to our email drip. What we really liked about this though, is that when we realized that our logo needed to be completely overhauled, we were able to keep moving forwards and making changes where we could. And then as soon as we got a brand new logo, we stuck it into the system, and now we're able to pull the trigger and make everything happen. I can't say enough good things about the 90-day marketing machine. If you're even questioning it, you should talk to Clay and figure out why it might be a great fit for you. It might be as simple as you needing to have a real logo yourself. Take it from me, you won't be sorry.